Hey, what's up my hair friends? It is Thais Hair. So today I will be doing mini braids on my natural hair finally, and I want to show you guys a tutorial on how I did them. So I start by getting my hair a little bit damp just so that I can manipulate and part my hair without as much breakage, and then I'm starting with a vertical part, clipping that section out of the way, and then I do a horizontal part to form a nice square on the side of my head. So don't be afraid to clean up your parts as much as possible to make those lines as straight as you can. So I'm going ahead and making that section even smaller by doing another vertical part, going straight back, clip that section out of the way, and then I go ahead and do a horizontal part to form a nice little square on the side of my face. So I'm using the Nourish and Shine curl cream as my styler of choice for today. This is going to allow my braids to look nice and soft and fluffy and natural. So I apply that curl cream from the end straight to the roots of my hair to soften it up while taming away any flyaways, and then I go ahead and detangle that section with my rat tail comb, and now I will be forming a loose plait right here with this section. I start with 3 pieces of hair, go ahead and bring the piece on the left over to the opposite side, and I just repeat that same thing until I am about 1 inch away from the ends. So now that I am 1 inch away from the ends, I go ahead and connect that middle piece with one of the sides, and now I have 2 pieces of hair instead of 3, and then I just 2-strand twist that hair straight to the ends. So the reason why I do this is just so that my hair can just so that I can loose out my hair much more easier, and I don't have as much breakage and my hair doesn't tangle at the ends. So I'm going ahead and parting off another section, forming another box, and then I go ahead and plait, repeating that same thing. Apply that curl cream from the ends to the roots, detangle, and then just plait. So this is basically the same process I will be repeating all over my head. During this tutorial, you're going to see how I perform certain parts so that my hairstyle can lay a certain way, and also how I do the back. So for the second section, I'm just parting just to uniform and connect it with that original part, going horizontally in the middle of my head. So I'm cleaning up that part so that it look like one seamless part going straight across. So for mini braids and mini twists, I love to do a side bang. So right here I'm doing a deep left part so that these braids can fall towards the left side of my face, and all of the other braids are going to be braided towards the right side of my face so that I can have a nice bang look when I go ahead and finish this hairstyle. So right here with this part, you can see how the braids are all going towards the right side of my face, and I'm doing that intentionally so that the hair can fall towards my face or come in forward versus going backward or versus going over to the left side. This part and how I part the hair, you can definitely manipulate the way your braids fall and the style you're going for. So this is the particular style that I love to go for. So this is the end result of my mini braids, and they are so cute. I absolutely love them. I put off trying mini braids all these years because I thought my hair wasn't thick enough, but my hair turned out just fine. I think it's really, really pretty, and the density is perfect for this hairstyle. I will literally do this again. The only con is that it does take a lot longer than mini twists, being that I have to form super uniform parts, or at least as uniform as I could get them. As you can see, the parts aren't like super super perfect, but they are the best I could do on my own, and it's really pretty. So I'm going ahead and putting in a little style just to jazz it up. You can wear it down regularly. I wore it down regularly for a few days, but I don't know, I've just been loving like satin scrunchie with my braids and twists. They just add a nice touch to the hairstyle and it makes it look like more loose. So I just put a ponytail in the back, leave some little tendrils on the side, and the bang in the front out, and it is just so pretty, y'all. I love this hairstyle. Thank you all so much for watching. Give this video a rating. Don't forget to download your free hair care guide, which is an ebook that I wrote so that you can learn all about healthy hair care practices. So to keep my mini braids looking good overnight, it is late at night right now, almost 11 o'clock, and it is definitely time for bed. I'm just covering with my Humble Glow Elite Bonnet. These are satin bonnets designed to retain moisture in the hair. They stay on all night, and my braids look juicy for a longer amount of time, so I don't have to worry about taking them out too soon because they got so frizzy from cotton pillowcase. So yeah, I will leave the link down below to my website humbleglow.com, where you can check out premium satin bonnets for your natural hair.